Hi guys, G-Man, My World 67. What I got another box in, actually it came in on yesterday, and I started to open it and got busy, set it aside for today, and I'm just now getting around to it. But I'm going to do this unboxing on this. It's a LIONEL Standard gauge engine, and we're going to get it out here. Set the old trusty stand up, and we're just going to get a quick video. Like I said, I already started unboxing it and got busy doing some other things and didn't get a chance to really check it out. It's the first time it's been completely out of the box, so we don't know what we've got. Had it wrapped decently. Got a lot of wrapping on there. Now I haven't had an on the standard gauge engine for about 30 years. I think it's the last one I had, maybe 25. And that's a beaut. It's got some scratching. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's got some scratching right there. It looks like some red paint. A little drop. It's got all its ladders, all its detail. Rail. This one's missing a rail right here. Just noticed that. Got all of its missing coupler. These things right here are kind of important. These actually held flags. Whoa. Okay, we'll get to that. It's got all the detail. It is missing one right here. I have to probably make one for it. So it is missing a couple of detail. It's got the pantograph, both lights, and it is missing both couplers. As I said, I just noticed it was missing one, but it's actually missing two. And it's got both rollers, but this is going to have to be redone, and I'm going to look at that and see how we're going to fix that. Looks like they already tried to repair it this way, and we might do something similar. But we'll have to look and see. Now, what's really bad is on here, I'm noticing, I noticed it in the picture, but I really couldn't tell how bad it was. This wheel here is almost completely gone. It's almost completely deteriorated. And that's kind of bad. It's really bad because these wheels are hard, very hard to come by. This wheel is not quite as bad as the other one, doesn't look like, but it's just bad too. And the motor seems to be stuck, but that might be because of these wheel flanges. This one here has looks like it's had a replaced flange, and this one has a replacement flange because it's two-piece, or it's a different set of wheels. I can't tell, but this is definitely a replacement flange. But we're going to work on this in the near future, and just wanted to do a quick video on it, share it with you guys. LIONEL Standard Gauge 10E. That's all I have for you for tonight. As always, happy rails to you until we meet again.